Home prices are up 1.7% to $600,000 compared to last December. Happy holidays! It's Friday, December 27th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. More Annapolis homes have sold this December than last, 1,258, compared to 1,203, a 4.6% increase in homes sold last December. Annapolis Inventory for sale dropped to 122 for sale. 9 properties are coming soon. 14 homes went under contract in 27 days this past week. 25 homes sold for 98% list to sold ratio in 15 days. Rentals fell to 42 available at $2,998 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, December 27th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.